In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Kajabi website step by step. Let's dive right in to ensure your website looks engaging and professional. First, head over to kajabi.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all things Kajabi. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Click on the Website tab to proceed. Now, let's select the specific page where you'd like to add your video. Under the Website section, click on Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Scroll through and select the page you want to edit, such as your Home, About, or Sales page. Once you've made your selection, click the Customize button. This action will open up the page editor where the real magic happens. With the page editor open, it's time to add the video section. Look for the plus Add Section button and click on it. A list of sections will appear, and from there, select Video. This will add a new video block to your page, and you're now ready to upload or embed your video. You have two options for getting your video onto your site. The first option is to upload your video directly. In the Video Settings panel, find and click Upload File. Navigate to your chosen video file in MP4 format from your computer and select it. Kajabi will handle the processing and hosting, making it simple for you. The second option is embedding a video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. To do this, you'll need the video's embed code. Copy this code from the respective platform and head back to the Kajabi editor. In the Video Settings panel, find the Embed field and paste the code there. Just like that, your video will appear on the page. Once the video is placed, it's time to customize its settings to perfectly match your site's aesthetics and user experience. You can adjust the title, description, and text that appear above or below your video. Also, explore the design settings to tweak the background, layout, and alignment to your liking. If you want to enhance the video's impact, consider turning on autoplay, mute, or loop options as necessary. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Hit Save in the top right corner of the editor to ensure none of your hard work is lost. After saving, click on Preview to see how the video looks live on your site. This preview will give you a chance to make final adjustments if needed. And there you have it, your video is live, enhancing the visual appeal and interactivity of your Kajabi website. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.